Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating HSL bus line 522 which runs between Leppävaara here in Espoo and Vantaankoski station in Vantaa. And as we've already created most of this part of the line at least, we will start directly by creating the line. And there we go, there we have the start and we have the terminus, and then we would once again stop here at Leppävaaran Keskus, but as the stop still is in the wrong place and I won't be bothered moving it, we won't. So we stop at Läkkisepänkuja. Then we stop at Verepelto, and we stop at Ajurinkatu. We stop at Vallikatu. We stop at Pikkulinnureitti. We stop at Lintukulma. We stop at Lintuparven aukio. We stop at Lintuvaaran koulu. We stop at Jääskeläntie. We stop at Paikkalinnuntie. We stop at Muuttolinnunmäki. We stop at No, we don't stop at Viisarettie. We stop at Viikatettie. We stop at Hämeenkyläntie. And then we stop at Terhotie. We stop at, well, Mantelikujaur actually, that would be Pähkinärintentie. We stop at Karhunkierros. We stop at Lammaskuja. Then we stop at Pähkinätie. Then let's see. Okay, still at Kylväjänkuja and at Santamäentie, but I think something different should be happening now soon, because after Santamäentie it's gonna be Pajarinne, and then it's gonna be Tavaskyläntie. Yes, and after Tavaskyläntie it's gonna be Maissikuja. And after Maissikuja it's gonna be Sarkapolku. Can you run that crossing straight? Yes, you can. After that it's gonna be Riihikuja. There we go. Then it's gonna be Ristipolku. Now where the hell is that? So are we actually going to... Let's see. This is fairly interesting. I will have to check one thing here, because now we're not there yet. But if we stop at Riihipolku, no Riihikuja, and Ristipolku, oh yeah. Ristipolku and... Wait. Ristipolku is again one of these one-way stops which I have previously managed to ignore completely. But now I can't, because I'm obviously going to cross that highway to Petikko. Let's see. That's about right. That's, yes, so I will place the stop called Riihimiehen tie. Riikkalsväin. Here. And actually, let's just... So... Oops. Oops. Let's cancel that thing out over there. After Riihimiehen tie, then gonna stop at Klinkerikaari. So we're now gonna move all the way around to this Petikko industrial area. Klinkerikaari, Klinkersvängen, which is over here. And after Klinkerikaari, we're gonna go up the bridge over here, and we're gonna go over that road over there, and then we're gonna go there. After Klinkerikaari, we're gonna stop at Kakelikaari. That's gonna be Kakelsvängen. Over here. There we go. And after Kakelikaari, we're going to stop at let's see what comes after Kakelikaari. After Kakelikaari comes Vehkalantie. Vekkalväin. There we go. And after Vehkalantie, let's see. After Vehkalantie, we stop at Voimalantie. Kraftverksvägen. After Voimalantie, we're gonna stop at Martinkyläntie, which already should be an existing stop, but it's in the wrong place. So let's add another stop to the Martinkyläntie station, or another platform to the Martinkyläntie stop would be the right thing to say in here. So there we're gonna have Martinkyläntie. And there we go. then let's try to avoid all these issues with these ever-extending stations here. Well, not all could be avoided, but that's a good start. Or that's all, well, as good as it gets. Let's put it that way. And then after building that stretch of road, we will go back to lines and see where we should draw this line. And the correct answer is we should draw it through here. Oops. And the Vehkalantie and the Voimalaitostie and the Martinkyläntie. And then obviously at Myllykyvinkuja is the following stop. That's quite right, and the terminus is at the Vantaankoski railway station, and then we just simply go back to Leppävaara. All the same route as we managed to take into this direction. Now, once again, a fairly simple operation. And a fairly painless execution, if you allow me the expression. And there we go. That's the line. Now, every ordinary day this line runs, let's see, that's about 30, 25, well, let's say 25 minutes, 30 minutes. So let's put it somewhere between that spectrum, and then let's go to the bus selection here and pick that one. And number 817 will be the first bus to operate the 522 in here. Let's have a look at the lines. So an hour and 24 minutes, so we're gonna need at least 3 of these buses to serve this line in a proper way. That's it. So, the lines have been built, the roads have been built, the lines have been created, the buses have been bought, and everything is up and running. And as usual, there will be a new video tomorrow. So until then, bye!